Hey, what's up guys? My name is Talha and you're watching Gadgets Sphere. So this is iOS 16.5 running in my iPhone 12. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the minor improvements it has. Let's get started. So the number one minor improvement which a lot of you will notice is actually in terms of the battery performance. So this is my iPhone 12, so it does not have that great battery life. So if you see, the battery maximum capacity is just 93%, but the battery life is a lot more improved. So lastly, I have charged my iPhone on Saturday at 5 p.m. with 100% of the charge, and today it is Sunday, and I'm having just 16% battery left. So it's actually 2:37 in Sunday, and still I'm getting great battery life. So this does show that the battery performance in this iPhone is very good. I'm getting around 5 to 6 hours of battery backup on a normal use, and if I use heavily I do not get that much, but still it's insane. In the last 10 days, you guys can see I have averagely used my iPhone 6 hours 45 minutes. So it does show that the battery situation has actually improved a lot in this new update. Now, one more thing that has actually improved a lot is actually the Wi-Fi reception quality and the speed. So let me just show you by testing it. So this is my Wi-Fi, which usually gives around 30 to 40 MB per second in download speed in my iPhone 12. But after this new update of the 16.5, you guys can see I'm getting around the same speed in the download section. But there's one thing which is really good, that is the stability is also a lot more improved. And in the upload section I got around 10 to 15 MB per second, and right now I'm getting around 40 MB per second. So this does show that yeah, there's a lot of nice improvement in the speed in of internet reception in my iPhone 12. Now one more thing which has actually improved a lot is the Siri. So you will just say, hey Siri, what's the weather right now?
It's currently clear and 37 degrees.
You guys can see one thing which is a lot more better now, that Siri can just give you answers very quickly. It does not take a long pause before giving you an answer, and it is also very nicely done in telling jokes. Let's just try. Tell me a clever joke.
What do you call a rabbit with fleas? Bugs Bunny.
So yeah, that was a good one, right? Let's just ask one more. Tell me a interesting joke. An interesting joke.
That may be beyond my abilities at the moment.
Alright, Siri cannot tell you an interesting joke right now, but can tell you a clever one. I don't know why they have differentiated it that way. I think Siri can just tell any joke, but tell me a clever joke.
How did elephants make long distance calls in the past? They used to have trunk calls.
Wow, that was also a good one. So now Siri can also do a lot of things, like it can start screen recording, stop it, it can, even shut down your iPhone. So let's just try that one. Shut down my iPhone.
Just to confirm, you want to power of this device?
Cancel.
No problem.
So
I
Siri can
won't.
so Siri can also shut down your iPhone, which is a great thing. But one thing which Siri cannot do right now, as of now, which Google Assistant can, is absolutely just a very simple stuff. Let me show you. Take a selfie. So Siri will just open the camera app for you, but it will not switch to the front camera and set a timer for 3 seconds and take a selfie. Now this thing was very well integrated in the Google Assistant, but Siri can sadly not do that. It can also not start screen recording, start video recording from the camera. Let's just try that as well. Start video recording in 4K 30 FPS.
Just to confirm, you want to start screen recording?
No, cancel.
I will not then.
So Siri can just record the screen, but it cannot, open the camera app, like this, open the camera app, switch to the video and start a video recording. So that is one limitation of Siri as of now. Maybe they're going to improve a lot in the future, and I hope they will definitely. Now, one more very nice and minor improvement in iOS 16.5 is actually the fluidity of the OS. Now, this is my iPhone 12, which is quite old, but still you will see everything is very fluid. Now, nothing is lagging here. Opening apps is still a breeze, so that is the best thing I like about iPhones, is they do not lag in the future like a lot of older ones do. But I think now they have done a great job in optimizing this iPhone, so I have felt no lag, absolutely smooth performance. So that's a great thing. Now, many people think that iPhones do not have great SDR, but now, with the iOS 16.5, you are going to get awesome SDR quality. Let me just take an example and show you. You guys can see this is a very messed up room, but this is going to be a very tricky example. Like if I take a photo right now, it has a lot of elements. In the background, you're going to see we have this, bright element. We have, this black screen as well. And even in this whole image, you are going to see zero noise. That is absolutely insane. And the best part is the highlight management is a lot more better right now. So if you take high dynamic range photos, you are not gonna be disappointed. So let me just take one more image. And you guys can see this was also a very high dynamic image. It has a very black microphone as well as a wide, windows, but still it has taken a very decent image considering this is like a 3 years old device. So with this new iOS update, they have improved the dynamic range of the cameras, which is a great thing, which many people do not, tend to notice usually. So that is a very good thing. Now let's just talk about the last part, and that is the heating control. Now with every new iOS update, the older iPhones actually heat up a lot, but this time this new iPhone 12, this is actually not a new one, but this is the iPhone 12, it does not heat up at all. Like the earlier heat issues which were present in iOS 16.4 are also gone, and you're going to get absolutely no problems with the heating. Well, that is a great thing. I just love it. I think this is a very nice update for anyone who's looking to, get the most out of their old iPhones. That's it. Hope you like it. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.